How to add follow button on Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can add follow button on Facebook. In order to do this procedure, first of all, update your application. After that, log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you can go to your profile icon. After that, you'll be able to see follow button instead of friends. So in order to add follow button on your Facebook profile or on your Facebook account, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your home page, click on the drop bar icon. After that, go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Once you're on this page, click on settings. This is going to direct you to the settings and privacy page. Over here, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to find profile information. And here you need to scroll down a bit and go to the section of audience and visibility. Under it, find how people find and contact you. Here you need to select who can send you a friend request. So click on friends of friends like that. After that, you'll need to make changes with all of these, that who can see your friend request. Just make it friends and friends. Once you're done, go back to the same page. And here you need to go to your post, which will be located right on top. So here you need to select who can see your future post. So you need to do friends and you need to make it as friends, which is right on top. Once again, go back and then you'll need to go to followers and public content. Here as well, you need to make changes with friends as well as friends to public. So click on public. Now in order to see the changes, go to your profile. So click on the profile icon and here you need to just click on three dot icon and go to view as. And as you can see that instead of friend request or friend, you'll be able to see follow button. In this way, you can add follow button on Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.